Okay, I've already started cutting this. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So I've started cutting on this. I'll show you where I'm at right now. It looks really sloppy. Okay, but we're gonna take these corners out, okay, so I can then shape it. But here we go. Okay, we'll do a zoom here. Get you up close and personal. Okay, we're getting ready to take our measurement here, but we need to fit this pattern just a little bit better to our piece over here, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip this edge so I can get this to form fit a little better because it's a little tight. So I'm just going to come in here and snip a little bit, okay? A little wobbly. Okay, now that I've done this, all right, I can push this back. Or I should be able to push this back. All right. Okay, we'll push this back. That way it'll fit snug. I can cut these off. Those little strips now, okay? So we're gonna push those back. I may have to cut them off. That way it fits. Okay, it's still a tad tight. All right. Okay, so we're going to get this where this goes here. I'm going to get that lined up. All right, now I am going to take my measuring tape. Okay, I'm going to take a measurement here. I've got 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, and 1.5 inches, give or take. It's not enough to make a difference. Plus I want a gap here. I want an 1/8 inch gap here. So 1.5 inches minus an 1/8 inch is what? That's 1 3/8 inches. Okay? So I need to make this from here, from the top of this tile to the bottom of this cardboard pattern, 1 3/8 inches. All right? And that's what I need to do. All right? Now, we're going to do the next step here. I'm going to put the pattern on the cardboard. I'm going to take the measurement, put that 1 3/8 inches on the tile, and then I'll lay this template on there and we'll get it cut. So that's what we'll be doing next. Now, that mark is for me. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come here. All right. Then I go 1 inch. That's 1/8. That's 2/8. 3/8. All right. So I'm going to make a little line there. All right. Then I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to do the same thing. The other thing I can do is I can take my 1 3/8 inches, since I know that's what it is, so that you don't get I don't get confused. All right. I just come over here to my 3/8 mark and I mark it right on my tape. All right. Now there's no confusion when you pre-mark it to your tape by marking the wrong line by accident, making it either too short or too long. All right, so you mark it. That way it gives your eyes somewhere to go, to follow, right? And so we're going to go right here. All right. And then we're going to go, going to make this line a little bigger here. All right. Bam. Right there. Can you see it? doesn't look like it, so we're going to zoom in a bit. You can see this line right here. Can you see this line right here? It's moved. All right, this line right there. That's the line. And there's the line right here. All right. So now I'm going to take my straight edge. You can use anything for a straight edge. All right. Now I'm going to get that lined up there. I'm going to line up just so you can barely see the pencil line on the other side of your straight edge. All right. When you can see it, you just kind of split the pencil line, you're good. And you don't want that to move. You do not want to do that. Okay. So you bump it up against that line. Press down. All right, a little bit more right there, right there. Now we're good. Now, the other thing I've done here is I put this tile up against my wall before I started, and if I don't break my camera, okay, I've made an R so I know it's on the right side, okay? And it just happens to fall on the right side. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do, let me zoom out of here because that's zoomed out too much. Okay. What I'm going to do is, let me zoom out a little more. There we go. Now, this is where you take your template, and I place this bottom edge on the pencil line, and I know I'm good. Okay. Here we go. On the pencil line, right there. And we make sure that this is flush to this outer edge. And it's to that pencil line right there. Okay, now I just trace this out. Next we'll be cutting it. Okay, just trace this. Okay, I know I need to make it a little bit wider. Okay. So there you have it. So what I can do now is I can take this and get the actual dimensions, because it's just a little bit off, but not enough to even matter, really. Okay, but to get this edge with this hole, put this alongside your template. Okay, and you just kind of eyeball it, side it in to this corner, all right? Just kind of curve it to that corner, taking the same basic shape. Come on around here. All right, hold it still, hold it down. Okay. Now we can just bring this over. And there we have, I want to go to this line right here. Okay, that's the line. There, and this line, there, this line here, and you put these marks on it so you know. You can scribble this one out, but on tile you can actually wipe it off. Okay? Or you just kind of get a little squiggly line, you know that's the wrong line. Alright, now we're going to go to cut it. Okay, first thing you want to do is make sure your cord is out of your way. Okay. Alright, so here we go. You want your board up off the ground or your tile up off the ground. I'm holding it over here with my foot. And I'm going to cut this line.